The ancestral secret recipe of this medicine is refined from dozens of Chinese herbal medicines such as mulberry parasitism, windwood parasitism, bayberry parasitism, cordyceps, Sichuan clam, licorice, almond mangosteen, antelope horn, etc. It has quick effects. Indications: nourishing yin and clearing the lungs, relieving cough and asthma, day and night cough, chronic cough in middle-aged and elderly people, elderly asthma, bronchial pneumonia, acute and chronic bronchitis, shortness of breath and fever, emphysema, cough in children, pneumoconiasis, heart disease, phlegm, dampness, and chest tightness weight. Taboo, sour, spicy, fried, raw chicken, carp, mutton, dog meat. How to take the medicine. Take the medicine once in the morning and evening, 7 to 8 pills each time, with warm water. Note: children under 10 years old can only eat 3 pills at a time. Children who cannot swallow cannot eat to avoid getting stuck in the throat. Pregnant women and those with heart disease are prohibited from eating.